Excellent.
The Warriors have stabilized the beat. Trying to bring the game to the Hippos. But I can't get now because they don't do the first half. And it is! This is the problem with rugby. When you are almost step, they also almost you. Yeah, and why say this? Ball out. That time come with me. Continue. Hey. So now all the players have to do that one. Hey, we can also request for another yellow to travel more.
Inside, you've really pushed them, but you've lost the thing and gave them even a bonus point. Give us just a recap of the game and where you think your boys didn't do right today.
So I can't take anything away from the boys today. The boys put up a good effort despite the numbers that we had. A lot of the kids we have today, high school kids, and our squad depth has already been built to where we need to have it. That's why we do not have a team 2 game today. We had a team 1 game only. So we need to build our squad depth so that we can be able to compete properly. So the competition you saw from today was from almost less than half our squad, as it should be. We are going through some ups and downs in terms of recruitment, I guess. But however it stands, I'm still proud of the boys from the effort they've put up, and I cannot take that away from them.
After 3 weeks, how do you rate your team, their preparations? Do you think they are getting what you want them to play this season?
Yeah, they are getting some things right, which I cannot complain about. However, there's also some things that they're doing really well and really poorly at the same time. So it's up and down. It's a roller coaster for me. I'm struggling with them, but we'll get there. It's a process.
Where do you think you're going to end at the end of regular season?
Given my performance today, I know it is not the best, but my actual target is mid-table. I don't want to play a relegation battle again. So I'm pushing for a mid-table finish this year.
Maybe you can just mention the name for them.
Oh, my name is Ggoolo, Warriors coach. Chiarero, engeri gye tugimaliriza tubaali tetulina amaanyi gamalako kubanga tetulina abazanyi bamala nga wetuli kati naye tugezaako. So kyetukozeko leero abasajja sisobola banenya bakozeko kye basobodde, so kiri kunze bafunira abantu abalala obeegatako oba ogezaako basindika mu maaso tubeere we tulina okubeera.
Kiruubirirwa ki kye mulina season
kiruubirirwa twagala okumalako mu makati g'emmeeza, tutwagala kuzanya relegation battle again, so twagala kugezaako okweteeka mu maaso. So waliwo games zetwesunze naffe okuzirwanisaako. Leero tuze wano nga abantu bangi babadde tebali bulungi nnyo. So tugenda kugezaako, tujja kugezaako.
Tusaba tuddiremu kerinnya.
Erinnya lyange Gabriel Aredo, ndi coach wa Warriors. Aredo.
I really also want to start talking about the penalties we have conceded. Quite a number of penalties we have conceded in about 3 games. And you can see we have about 4 yellow cards. It's not decent enough. We need to work on our discipline. However, we couldn't hide the fact that the referees have really frustrated us. We need to have some more competence in the referees, and we need to have rugby clean, yeah? We need to have people updated with the law coming down here to officiate. However, we leave that to Union. I believe they will do the right thing.
Yeah, today you get a first bonus point. You're among the top 3, and the only reason why you're number 3 is because you're not getting the bonus points. Today, your kicker was awful, but later on he started kicking. Do you think that one is costing you a little bit?
No, I wouldn't say that. The first 2 games were heavy. You wouldn't try to get a bonus point of Buffalo's Victoria Sharks, very decent. And this is why you start to collect them, you know. When you find someone this size, then that's why you need to capitalize. However, today's kicking wasn't that good. I don't know what happened to the boys' boots. But it will come clean. It will come clean in the next game. Believe me, you will be better.
After 3 games, how do you rate how much the team has grown? What are they playing? What you really want them to play?
Yeah, I mean, you've seen good rugby as well. You've seen us play. You've seen us absorb the pressure. So I believe we are content. We are good to go. But we need to work more. We need to work more on our discipline, and yeah, we are working on it.
Next week,
we're expecting a quick ball. We're expecting a quick game. It's going to be faster, and we will give them the speed. We will try. We're going to try much to see that we dictate the speed, because we expect both teams to have that kind of speed. But we will dictate, and let's see how it goes on to the next one. We are ready for them. Game tebadde mbi, game ebadde nnungi, tukoze bisobyo bingi, tubawa penalty nyingi, tubawadde penalty 8 omugatte ne basobola otebako penalty 5, so tulina okuddayo ne twetereeza discipline waffe. Game 3 katulinamu kaadi 4, si kintu kirungi, si kintu kyeyagaza, so tulina okukola amaanyi okulaba nga discipline tugizaayo ku Jinja gye mubadde mumanyi. Hippos ebadde ne one of the most disciplined teams. Tulina okuddayo ne twetereeza tulabe nga discipline waffe tumutereeza.
Okay, next week oyina rugby game
tusuubira game okuba ey'amangu, so naffe twetegese okubawa kye beetaaga, naye twagala ffe baba nga tuli mu control ya game all time, kuba obakkiriza okuzanya balungi si babi, so twagala tube nga ffe abadictatinga game tulabe nga tubajjako win.